Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tire matchup, not a wheel matchup, just a tire matchup with a Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tire. Now this is a 35 1250 R20 tire. The tread pattern is somewhere between a RT, which is a hybrid tire, and a mud terrain tire. It's not as aggressive as a mud terrain, yet it's not as mild as a RT or a hybrid tire. Now this Goodyear tire is made in America. Gotta love it. Besides that, it rides great. It balances well and it rides phenomenally. I have no bad things to say about it. I think it's a great looking tire. The reason why we're not doing a wheel review is because Black Rhino no longer makes these wheels, so don't even worry about it. Go find another wheel. The tire has got these funky little details on the inside of the grooves of the tires that I really enjoy, and it stands out compared to most tires. So besides that, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these tires, not the wheels, but the tires, or maybe the fenders or the lift, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.